Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to earn $700 per day for free. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to just like open here our browser, and then here first of all we have to search here is Instagram. So I'm showing you like a page that makes thousands of dollars using this technique. So here we are making a page like this, you can see. So as you can see, I have made this page like Money Talks with me. So here I upload shorts, and if anybody like the shorts, they will come to my profile, and I will like here I'm not having currently like many followers. So when I will have like a 500 600 follower, that will be genuine. So I will like add here affiliate link, and then I can just earn through affiliate. So first of all, we have to make like a uh, page Instagram. So here is my motivational page of here as how to earn money. So you can just make your page, or you can just think creative and make another page. So here I upload annotated video and other motivational videos that I found on YouTube. So as you can see, for making shorts, you can use click and short. So like you can just upload. So in this video, we are making an agency. So to make an agency, you can use any website. So for example, here we can use like a wix.com or any other sites. Okay. So here we will create a new site, and you can see we have here here we have to wait, and here we can just search as agency. So here we can just search as advertising agency. We can do next. So here Wix appearing here. So here we can just create our agency by using Wix. Then we can just like search here as click and short. Okay, click and short. We can search like this. So at the first you can see clickandshort.com. So we have to come here, and here we can see we have here login. So we have to just register first of all here. So to register, we have to just pay like a monthly fee, or here they are having like a fee. So they are in under maintenance, as you can see. So here we will like come back. So click and short. You can just search here. So here we can see we can just go down and we can see their prices. So pricing. So here we can see they provide us a three plan. First is basic, then business, and ultimate. So you can buy a ultimate plan if you want to. Like for 3 days you can just buy, and as you can see they gives us like a 30 days guarantee money back. Okay, so if you take like $399, as you can see it is in maintenance, so it's not coming actually. So we can just see here. So if you take about business plan or ultimate plan, that is the top plan, and here if you made 1,000 video, so per video it will cost you about like a 40 cents. Okay, so here you have to make a business page, and then you have to post 1,000 video a month. Then if any video will go viral, then you have to make a website first of all of your affiliate website, and here you have to just upload the product related to this. So to get the product, you can just use your clickbank or any other affiliate site like Amazon affiliates and others. So as you can see here, so here we have a basic plan. So in basic plan we can make up to like 25 shots per month. Okay, and export quality will be 180p, and it will be auto caption. So it will be very helpful. So as you can see, these videos are like made with uh, click and short. In business plan we can make a 300 short videos per in ultra high quality, and it will auto caption and branding, and it will provide prioritize customer support. And in ultimate plan we can make a ultimate short video. So if you make 1,000 video or 1,500 videos, then it will be worth for you. So let us calculate how much it will be. So if you make a 1,500 video per month, so that is divided by 399. So per video will be cost like at $300. So let us sorry $3 3.75. So let's make 2,500 videos. or per month. Okay, we can just make using the plans. So we are paying here as 399. So per video will cost you like a 6.2. Okay, so you can just use this method and earn money. So here they provide us like a YouTube short. So here you have to just upload the video and they automatically make the shorts for you, and you can just download from here and you can just upload to here, and you can just like here you can use it as amazon.com. So here you can see amazon.com. So here we can just log in with our ID, affiliate ID, and for example I can go to electronics, and if I want to just like sell this product or motivation, let's just go to money. We can search as money. Okay, so for example money motivation book. So we can search like this. So here you can see, so if you want to here you can see start something that matters. So if you want to sell this book, so you can just be the affiliate of Amazon, and you can just sell this paperback version and they will give some commission to you. Okay, so from like this you can just like target the audience from for your niche, and then you can just make money from it. So here you can see we have electronics also. So as you can see, these products they cost you about like $100, and it will be very helpful to you if you will affiliate this, and if they will give you approx like discount of here they're giving 29%, and if someone will order like Amazon give you $2 also for every sale you make a $2. Then if you make like $2, so if your video goes viral and you have a good niche about this product, then you can make $1 million. So for example, so $1,000, so you can make a 2 grand in 1 month. Okay, so this is how you can just make. So if you grow the channel in millions and if you have a million follower, you can buy this. Yes, okay, this is worth. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.